and welcome once again to MG Tracy. If you're a subscriber, then a big welcome back. If you're not, please subscribe. That's the best way to support the channel. My channel is all about my tips, my trips, my holidays and my tunes, my music, which you can find on any of the streaming services under Paul Gates, and I hope you enjoy some of it. So today it's a tip. We're looking at, can you add a fragrance to your hot tub? Some people call this hot tub aromatherapy. So there's a lot of things you've got to be careful with this. If you get this wrong and you put the wrong things in your hot tub, you are going to damage your pump, heater and filtration system. So you have to buy the right stuff. Let me take you through step by step on how to have a bit more fun with a very nice smelling hot tub jacuzzi or hot tub aromatherapy. So putting something fragranced in your hot tub is great for relaxation. It certainly adds something, but it has to be things that have been made for and formulated for your hot tub. If you just use ordinary things like Epsom salts, they will damage the heating element, clog the filters, but also can mess up the chemistry. Before we start, we're going to do our dip test and see where we are and make sure the chemicals are in balance before we add any fragrance salts. Actually, that all looks okay. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to rinse out our filter because it's already got a fair bit of clogged up stuff in it, and adding the fragrance salts is only going to add to that. So let's make sure we give it a fighting chance. So if you were to use something that's not specialised just for your hot tub, this will cause corrosion because of the high salts in it. It'll make it all foamy, which means you've got to lose a lot of defoaming, but you could really damage the heating element of that unit and the filter. So it's just so important. I've said this several times. You've got to buy something specifically for hot tubs, and they are freely available. I've chosen a couple here. You can get them from anywhere, but if you're having trouble, I'll put the Amazon links below as usual. I'm an Amazon associate. You pay the same normal price, and I earn a little bit commission that goes into funding these videos. So we've got two here. I've not heard of what they are, I just like the smell. That one is bergamot and hoewood, and this one smells particularly great in the packet. It says sparkling grapefruit, but you're picking up lemon and lime, which is very summery. So what we're going to do with this is we're just going to fill up the cap here. Now you do gradual amounts here, because if you do too much, it's going to be a bit overpowering when you're sitting in it, and if you don't do enough, particularly like today on a windy day, cue wind, you'll find that the scent just gets blown away. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill this up twice. You have to put it in with the bubbles on so that it's very quickly dissolved and doesn't just all end up clogging the filter. So we put the bubbles on, and we're going to do a couple of capfuls of this. I can smell it already, actually. There we go. Oh dear, hang on. Wow. Oh, not the whole bottle in, that'd be a disaster, wouldn't it? Oh, well, that's enough. You'll be able to hear me there. That's enough to be able to smell that. I suspect when you're in it, that's probably absolutely fine. So that sort of canister is going to last you quite a long time, particularly this one, which is the Hollywood version of the Lazy Spa, where you can have the lights on at night. I think having lights and some really nice fragrances is just magical, really help you relax. That's really all there is to it. Keep an eye on that filter tomorrow, particularly if you put something new in for the first time. Make sure the water stays clear and you're not getting too much foam, and I think you've got everything okay. I shall dip test that tomorrow before we get in as well tomorrow, as well as checking the filter. But yeah, it's a very simple thing that can add something, and if you're having guests around, they've never done this before, even if like me you've got a cheap and cheerful hot tub, it adds a little bit of fun, something to talk about there, isn't it? So I hope you found that useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, that'll really help me. This is Paul from London, awaiting the sunshine, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.